Hey guys, welcome back to another episode.
Hey.
So we were just going shopping. We found a few things just laying around. Found a Shrouded Fable pack.
And also a Paldean Fates Tin here.
Yeah, once we saw this, my wife kind of was just like, yeah, we gotta get this because of the Greninja on there. She loves that full art Greninja, so
Yeah.
figured why
absolutely.
not? It'd be definitely some good content. Figure out, see what we can find in here and see if we can get any pulls. This comes with one full art promo featuring Greninja, 2 foil cards featuring his pre-evolutions, and 5 Pokemon TCG Scarlet, Violet, Shrouded Fable booster packs, and a code card. So
So we are going to open up the Greninja EX Box first, and then once we do that, then we'll jump into the tin.
this was the one that she wanted, so I'll let her unbox it. I know she's going to be excited about this.
Alright. And this is the whole evolution of him. Oh, yeah.
That is a very nice card. I like that. Alright, and this comes with all Shrouded Fable packs.
Which, have we opened any?
Not really. I don't think we have had some here and there, but it hasn't been a big staple yet for us. So definitely excited to see what we can find in here.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Boom, 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 boom. Drum roll. I feel like she's going to get something good here.
Drowsy. Malamar.
Okay.
No,
Nothing.
but cool art.
Of course. That was a rough open. That thing was sealed. Alright, let's see what we got. He's really good in Pokemon Go.
Yeah.
We always know I like an Eevee evolution.
Nice. I don't think we have that one yet.
No, we definitely do not.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's not bad. I like that.
Another one.
Back to back.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down. 3 more packs to go on this one. Then we'll hit the 10. Hopefully we get some better hits than just the Greninja card.
I know, like, I hope that this is not just to get that card and that's, like, it with this series. I'm not really familiar with this series, but I'm glad to start it. But give us some hits. Come on. That's nice.
We have Hollow of him. Snuffle. Full art. No,
Ooh,
it's
okay.
We'll take
First
an
EX. First EX.
We had the hollow from him on our last video.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he was in the Scarlet Violet pack. Alright, last one.
Not last one.
Oh, we got one more pack. Never mind. Look at me. That's why she's here.
Where's the knife?
I don't know what I'd do without her. Good lord. Every time we leave the house, she has to make sure I have everything, because if not, I'll forget it halfway down the street.
Yeah, he really will. Come on. Okay. I mean, we don't have it. He is a rare, so he has 1 star.
Alright, so she has the only good pool right now, so
Yeah, this box
hopefully
is
she
so
can-
far disappointing.
she
We'll
can keep
see.
it going. I think you've had every single pool so far. At least for the last 2 videos.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. This is the last one. Come on. Oh, we don't have him.
No.
Okay.
Iron Moth, Slytherin,
We just got that.
Dix.
We have him.
Oh,
Oh!
that is
2
nice.
star. And then we ended off with Cressella.
Whoopsie.
Whoa.
That is really nice.
I like that
Is
art.
that like a phoenix?
Kinda. Like a hawk.
I'll turn my head sideways to look at. There we go. Okay. Alright. I like it.
Okay.
Not bad.
So yeah, the Greninja, we got these 3 hits.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. So let's jump into the tin.
Alright, this is what she was waiting for.
Okay, so in this tin, we get one promo foil, and the promo foil that we got was the Greninja EX.
Not bad.
And it also comes with 5 booster packs of the Paldean Fates. So we're going to open those up now. Okay, so we just get 5 of these. These look nice. Alright, so which one do you want to open?
Let's see. I'm always going to go with the
Pikachu? Alright, well, I want a Pikachu too. You first.
Alright, let's see. Let's see.
You're so cute, Pikachu.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Okay.
Pikachu,
Right
right
off
off the
the
bat.
bat.
Called it. Alright, we'll just throw him up there for the heck of it.
Aww. Come on. It's your turn to get a hit.
Finally, let's do something here. I got to carry my weight. Okay, that actually looks pretty nice.
He's a 1-star. Ooh.
Okay, he's pretty nice. I like him.
Wow. That's a hit for us. We have him.
Oh,
We
yeah,
have him.
We have him.
Charmander. We'll
Okay,
keep you
put the
right
base
there.
cards.
Yeah, base
Base
cards. I like that.
The originals.
I like
The
that.
OGs.
We have him, but I like that
R.I.P.
art.
my
It's
man
different
Ash.
art. Come on, come on. I see something. Come on. That's right. That's right. Another EX. 2-star. Wow. Clodsire EX. And a Wig Trio full art. Get out. Get out. We have it, but that's so nice. And then a Raichu. Hell fucking yeah. Oh. Can I cuss? Yeah. It's our channel, right? That was sick.
Her luck today. That's her second pack with a full art and an EX in it today. Good lord, Glenn. We need to take her to casino ASAP.
No.
At least play the lottery.
Oh.
Lord, I'd like to not go work again.
No, he trolls us. He trolls us, guys.
Hey y'all. That's what looks like.
Hi-ya.
Hey y'all.
He trolls us. Alright, come on. Let's get another banger.
I think we know how this is gonna end for me.
Come on.
Okay,
Nice.
Korean student, I'll take it. Finally.
There you go. Full art. Beautiful.
Finally.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, I got one.
I'm gonna go with
Everybody
this
gets
one.
one, just like Spider-Man says.
Cute.
Everybody gets one.
Alright. This is the second to last pack. Let's go. Let's go.
She's like Mary Jane. She gets like 12.
Alright, we got another one. Different one. This is not full art, but it's the reverse hollow. We have this.
She's gonna get something here.
And Squawkability EX. Get out of 2-star.
Calling it.
What is that? This tin is hitting.
That was a really good tin.
This tin is hitting.
Let's see if we can end it on a banger. Charmeleon.
Nice.
Okay, so put him over there.
Okay.
It's not bad. That's actually, I think this is something like a different kind of hollow, the same as that Luxray.
Okay.
Alright, and I'll take a Gengar.
Alright. Yeah, we don't have him.
I'll always take a Gengar.
Definitely.
Not a bad haul from the, what was that, the...
Paldean Fates Tin. That tin hit, guys.
In the Shrouded Fable.
Greninja EX.
Yeah, so this and the tin really paid off well for us, as you can see. Not a bad haul for a tin in a box. So thank you guys for joining us again. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up, guys.
Please.
Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's chat, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.